guys, this is Tyler with MarineMax to Stuart. Today we're going to walk through this brand new Scout 300 LXF. Back here at the cockpit of the boat, you've got a nice pull-out transom bench. You've got large mirrored fish boxes, both port and starboard. Taking a look at the back of the leaning post, you've got a Yeti cooler that pulls out nice and easy. And you've got a decent-sized live well that can also double as a cooler. You have 4 rocket launchers on the back of the leaning post and 5 on the top of the T-top. If you notice on this hard top, you've got integrated floodlights both fore and aft. You've got hand holds to hold on when you're heading offshore on a rougher day. Moving up to the helm, you've got independent flip-up bolsters, both port and starboard for the captain and the co-pilot, with fold-down armrests. You've got a nice footrest so you can drive comfortably while seated. You've got plenty of room for flush mount electronics on the Scout 300 LXFs. You've got twin 7612s on this boat. You've got a Garmin VHF. You've got nice digital switching. You've got push button redundancies up top for some things you might want to access quicker than going through your Garmin displays to get to, such as nav lights, bilge pumps, stuff like that. Moving forward on the port side, you've got access to the center console where the brains are located and all your digital switching, as well as a vacuum flush head and a nice center console berth. You can get this boat with center console air conditioning. You can do DC powered AC systems if you're interested. Moving forward, one of the nicest features of this boat is the large sun lounge in front of the console. You got plenty of storage underneath for whatever you may be packing with you for your day trip, as well as fold down armrests to keep you more comfortable while you're underway. Up at the bow, you've got a nice bow seating configuration with fish boxes both port and starboard, as well as one in the deck. And of course you have a through stem anchor rod with an electric windlass, so you don't have to tote the anchor in yourself. This boat's got a lot of features that we'll see on our larger vessels, such as the 38 and 42 Scouts, and this vessel can be yours. Give me a call if you'd like to learn more about this boat or some other boats we have in stock. My number is 772-600-4490. Thanks for watching.